Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery on your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started by preparing your key fob for opening. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob with a fresh battery. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.